This vehicle here is an Activa One 630 LS. It is a range of overcab motorhomes, and in this case what we've got is a rear washroom, forward bed in the dinette, and let's come to the front. Right, so magnificent large window here, and at both sides we will find a window, but also at the window over here next to this you've got places to keep whatever it is you're taking to bed with you. Beer cans, packets of crisps, other snacks, this type of thing. So you can keep them up there. There is under the bed, I shall show you, there's a net there. So the net will actually attach above, and it's aimed to stop you falling out of bed. Got nice curtains up here, thick, well, I won't say that thick, but they feel quite nice to the touch. And here's your driving position. Now if you want to move this up once you're driving, that goes up like that. So you've got headroom as you come out of the driver and passenger side. Here we've got this enormous table and a large sitting area, and you can make here a bed as well. Coming back down the vehicle, we find the fridge here, three-way fridge, so it runs off gas as well. Open this up, that's what it looks like inside. The advantage of a gas fridge, runs off gas, is that it's very silent. The disadvantage is you've got to keep filling up with gas. When your gas runs out, your cold in the fridge runs out. Sink, here we've got this three hob system, and up here we have got storage as well. In the block down here, nice drawers. And I didn't put the lights on, so let's do that right now. Here's the light thing. Where does it say 12 volts? Yeah, I'll turn the thing on. And where's the lights? Can you see them? See if that works. Oh, it did. And toilet and shower. And the shower comes with a bar to hang your stuff up when you've washed it at night, or when you've washed your stuff and you left it outside and it starts to rain, you can bring it in here and it'll drip dry eventually. The shower is, I think it's quite large. It's got one drainage point in the center. I like to see two drainage points where possible, but if you're only going to have one, I want it in the center. Over here, large wardrobe. And underneath this, I need to point out what we've got down here, which is more storage. Right, you can see there's a deep double floor, and what we'll do is we'll have a look down here what there is. That's your black tank. Now, by moving the water tanks into the double floor, you and other technical equipment, you lower the center of gravity, smoother ride. I'm told it saves fuel. Well, logically, you must save fuel. It also makes more space, particularly storage, in other places as well as keeping the vehicle warmer in winter. This looks a bit like a home, I think, a little bit, because you don't see the bit at the front where the it's a small flat, if you like, because when you can't see the front bit, it ceases to look like a vehicle. I'll put this down, and that might even look even more like a home. Wonderful large skylights, and this is a sort of a normal one. Let's come round out. So you're possibly wondering what the price is. Well, it's going to be near six figures. Haha, 97,500. 644 centimeters long, 232 wide, 315 at its highest point. But what an interesting thing here is you can actually put it on a 4.4 ton gross vehicle weight. Even at 3,500, I would imagine it would have about 350, 400 kilos of payload. Of course, it depends how many people are going to be sleeping in there. I'll put some additional information in the description. Now here you can see the double floor. Look at all that space. There's your boiler. Stacks of space down here. Storing things. But what there isn't storage for is a bicycle. That's your cassette toilet there at the back. I shall open this if I can. 2 gas cylinders in there. It's relatively easy access here, but as always I would suggest that you get a refillable solution. Very large drains as well for them. So the Activa 1 is a range of vehicles like this with different layouts and sort of different styles, including the rear lounge layout, which is, I'd have to say, the one I like the best. And seeing as I like this, that one I like the best, we'll have a quick look at it right now. There you go, 100,000 again, 650 centimeters long, so it's more or less the same size. Oh, isn't that nice? Oh, isn't that great? Wonderful looking van, in my opinion. And big kitchen, and steps up to the bed. There's the bed up there, and in here we've got a washroom and shower. Anyway, you can see all that in a different video, link to which will appear below. And if I forget, then remind me, because forgetting does happen at times, particularly when I'm traveling and I don't have access to the internet. So thanks for being with me today and looking at this, I think, quite magnificent vehicle. Lots more here, but for the moment, from me in Germany, bye for now.